Hi, this is my PE resources newsletter. And here we'll start with a couple articles. I have one here from the New York Times that has lots of ideas for families to exercise, especially during the pandemic. And after having not moved very much, they have some videos and other ideas um, to do with older kids and the parents as well. And I have another article here about the importance of eating together as a family and how that helps us in not just our physical health, but also our mental health. It helps when we make our meals at home. We will most likely make healthier meals, and also it gives us a chance to connect with our family. I have a link here to the Cosmic Kids Yoga, which is a story, follows along a story, and they do some moves, some yoga moves along the way. Here's some information about Shape America and some of the things that they have to offer, as well as the MyPlate website that has some dietary guidelines and also other activities for the kids, and also things like this grocery game plan where parents can put together their menu plan and their ingredients that they need to pick up at the store, as well as a great diagram here to see how we should be um, splitting up our food and how many vegetables or grains, fruits, and protein and dairy. And then last here, I have a book, The Hula Hooping Queen. That's about a girl who just loves to hula hoop, and she has to make a choice between listening to her parents and helping out with the family member or to go join her friends. So, hula hooping is a great way to get your body moving. It's travels easily, and everybody can get into it. I have some activity ideas here and just a diagram to show a few different things that we can do with a hula hoop. Thanks.